Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Syncthing for low latency editing file sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading Syncthing from the official website. Choose the version suitable for your operating system. Install Syncthing by following the on-screen installation instructions. Once installation is complete, open the Syncthing application. You will be greeted by the Syncthing web interface in your default web browser. Take note of the device ID displayed in the top left corner. This ID is unique to your device and will be used to connect different devices. Next, on the device you want to sync with, install Syncthing using the same download steps. After installation, open Syncthing on the second device. Repeat the step of noting the device ID for this device as well. Now, go back to the first device's Syncthing web interface. Click on that Add Remote Device button. Enter the device ID of the second device in the provided field. You can also give it a friendly name for easy identification. Ensure the option to share sync folder is checked. Click Save to establish a connection between the devices. On the second device, a notification will appear indicating an incoming connection request. Accept the connection request to pair the devices. Now, return to the first device's web interface. Select Add Folder to create a new synchronized folder. Choose a folder path where the files for editing will be stored. Assign a unique folder ID that describes the folder's purpose. Make sure to check that the folder is being shared with the second device. Click Save to finalize the folder setup. On the second device, accept the folder share request that appears. You are now prepared to add files to the synchronized folder. Any changes made in this folder will automatically sync to the connected device. Begin editing your files with low latency and enhanced efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.